Hello, hi students. Let us to solve the next problem. So that is the first integral limit, it will be from 0 to 4a. Second integral limit is from x square by 4a to 2 time of root ax. Function is xy dx dy. So in this first, let us to solve by step by step. First one is, so let me to write the given things. In the given things, this is y limit, and one more, it is x limits. In this we know already x variable is there, means this is y limit. So this is y is equal to x square by 4a, and another limit is y is equal to square root of ax, and x limit, x is equal to 0, x is equal to 4a. This we can simplify now. This it will become now x square is equal to 4ay. This is y square is equal to this is 2, it is there here 2. So this will become 4ax. Now for this, let me to draw the graph. Second point is graph. So it will be there the graph. So one is that x square means towards x axis, y square means towards x axis. This is nothing but y square is equal to 4ax. This curve is nothing but x square is equal to 4ay. So both the curves are intersecting in this particular region. So now to find out the point of intersection, so we are going to find out in this particular step, that is to find the point of intersection. As I told you in the previous videos, to find out the point of intersection, we have to take it out of these two curves, any one. Let x square is equal to 4ay. In this, at this limits, this x limits you take it at x is equal to 0. One more point, x is equal to 4a. This is constant limit. This is variable limits. This is variable limits. This is constant limits. Now in this, you can observe in this particular equation, if you substitute x is equal to 0, y you will get 0. It means the point of intersection, x is equal to 0, y also I am getting 0. Next, in the place of x, if you substitute as 4a, it will become 16a square, it will happen. 16a square means this will become for us y is equal to 4a. Now this point is x is 4a, means y also I am getting 4a. This is the way we need to find out the point of intersection. After finding the point of intersection, we are going to change the order now. Changing the order. So for this, we have to observe the graph. Before the observing the graph, let me to write it down. This is y limits, and one more, it is x limits. As now what will happen in the changing of order, in changing the order, here whatever they give y as the variable limit, now this y it will become as a constant limit. Now this it will become variable limits. So this you can observe from the graph x-axis. So x limit, x is equal to varying from the x-axis, look at here, so towards this direction. So lower curve it will be this one. It means here you can observe x it will become now y square divided by 4a. y square divided by 4a. This is the lower curve. To upper curve you can observe upper curve. This is the lower curve, this is the upper curve. So upper curve you can observe here, this is the upper curve. In this x if eliminate, this will become 2 root ay. So now in y limits if you observe towards y axis, so this is lower limit, this is upper limit. So this is, as I told you, this is constant limits. So now y is equal to 0 to 4a. So this is the way we need to do the changing the order. Y limit they will give as a variable limits that we need to convert into the constant limits. X limit they will give the constant limit that we need to convert into the variable limit by using the graph, by using the point of intersection. Now therefore integration, double integration. So this is, first we have to write the constant limit, that is 0 to 4a. Second limit it will be x is equal to, lower limit is y square divided by 4a, upper limit it will be 2 root ay. Function is xy, this x is there, so dx, this is dy. You can just observe the question. This is the question they give, 0 to 4a, x square 4a lower limit, upper limit 2 root ay. This is the y limit they gave in the problem. Now it has been converted into the x limit by changing the order. Now if you do the integration of this one, this is 0 to 4a, integration of x. So what will happen, this is y we are keeping as it is, this will become x square divided by 2, limit is from y square divided by 4a, this is 2 root ay. So this is dy. This is equal to integration 0 to 4a y divided by 2, upper limit is, this will become 2 root ay minus lower limit y square divided by 4a whole square. This is dy. Now this what will happen, if you multiply inside, or else you can square root, let me to apply. So if you apply the square root, so this is here, this bracket is applicable up to here. So now this is y by 2 square, if you apply inside, this is 4 ay minus square, if you apply inside, this is y to the power of 4 4 is 16, this is a square, this is a square dy. Now this is equal to integration 0 to 4a, this you multiply inside, what will happen, this is a 1s 2s, so this is 2 a y into y square minus y into 4 y to the power of 5 divided by 16 2s 32 a square dy. Now this is equal to this, if you do the integration 2a, it will be the constant, this is y square divided by 2, limit is 0 to 4a, minus this is 1 divided by 32 a square, this is y to the power of 6 divided by 6, limit is from 0 to 4a, 0 to 4a. So this is the cube integration of y square. So after this, if you do the simplification, so what will happen? You can observe this is equal to 2a by 3, 2a by 3. So this is inside, if you take it 2a by 3, if you apply the upper limit come lower limit, so this what will happen, 4a whole cube, upper lower limit it will become as it is 0, it will become 0, minus 1 divided by, that is 32 into 6, it will become 192, this is a square, this is 4 times of a whole to the power of 6, lower limit as it is, it will become 0. Now this is equal to, it will become, if you do the multiplication of this one, so this is again, okay, 4 you multiply with, okay, 3 times, we will get 128, here a 3 times it is there, here a 4 times divided by 3, minus this is 4 you multiply 4 6 times, if you multiply we will get 4096 divided by 192 a square, and here a to the power of 4 it will be there, sorry, a to the power of 6. So if you cancel we will get the 4 times. Now a to the power of 4, if you take out common, so 128 divided by 3 minus 4096 divided by 192. So this simplification, it will become a to the power of 4 64 divided by 3, it will be the required answer. So this is the way we have to do the change of order problems. Next problem, let us to see same changing the order. So for this given, so y limit, x limit. So in this if you observe, so this is definitely y, they give the variable, it means x limit, x is equal to y, one more x is equal to a. Now this is y is equal to 0, y is equal to a. Now this will become as a constant limit, this is now variable limits. So this completely we need to change. So to do that one changes, first for this, so any simplification it is required, not simplification it is not required, directly they give. So for this let me to draw the graph. So in the graph, if you take it x-axis and y-axis, so here y is equal to x means it will go in the center, this is y is equal to x, one more x is equal to a, can observe x is equal to a, like this will be there, this is nothing but x is equal to a. So both the curves it is intersecting, both the curves it is, we are getting common region is this one. So we need to find out the point of intersection. For this point of intersection, to find out the point of intersection, as I told you, we have to take it any one curve. So let x is equal to y at at in this particular place we have to take it as y limit, isn't it? Y limit y is equal to 0. One more point is y is equal to a. Then what will be the changes in this? Y is equal to 0 means x also it will become 0. It means origin point we got it. If y is equal to a, x it will become, it means a x, what is it, y is equal to a, x also we are getting as a n. So in this manner we need to find out the point of intersection. Once point of intersection is done, next point is that changing the order. So in the changing the order, so what will happen here? Y limit, one more it is x limit. Now this it will become variable limit, this it will become now constant limit. As after the changing the order, it will become opposite. This constant limit it will become variable limit it will become constant. To find out this one, just observe the y axis. Now you can observe y is equal to y axis. If you observe y axis like this, upper one, so lower point is this one, lower to upper. So here lower point in the x axis we are getting always y value, on the x axis it will be 0 to maximum we are reaching up to this curve. In this curve y, if you observe, y is nothing but x. One more, this it will become as a constant limit. So constant limit is we have been found, look at here, lower point and upper point, this is 0 to a. Now this let me to solve. Now therefore integration constant limit x is equal to 0 to a. One more, y is equal to 0 to x. 0 to x, function is x divided by x square plus y square. This is the dy, we have to take it. You can observe, this is the question what they gave. This is the x limit. Now it completely, after changing the order, it's became y limit. To do this integration, what I'm going to do, this is equal to first limit I'm writing as it is. Here what I'm going to do, x I am going to eliminate. In this y limit is from 0 to x, 1 divided by x square plus y square dy. Okay, so in this what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the formula. By using the formula, so I'm going to do the integration of this one. So what is the formula? So we know that integration 1 divided by x square plus a square, x square plus a square dx, it will become 1 divided by a tan inverse of x by a. So by using this formula I am going to solve this equation. Now this is equal to 0 to, this is a, 0 to a, x write down as it is. This integration now it will become in the place of okay, this is the x square and this is the y square they gave. So here with respect to dy we are doing with respect to dy. So this I am going to rewrite y is equal to 0. This is x 1 divided by, just we are making opposite, this is y square plus x square, this is dy, dx it will be outside. Now you can observe, here dx is there, here dy is there, here dx is there means x square I am taking, here dy is there means y square I am taking. Now a value it will become as a x. So this is equal to 0 to a, x write down as it is. If you in the place of a we have x, so I am going to write 1 divided by x. Next tan inverse tan inverse in the place of okay, x we have y, in the place of a we have x. Okay, for this I am going to apply the limit is from where to where, 0 to x, 0 to x. This is dx. In this case what will happen, x it will get cancelled, it will get cancelled, 0 to a, tan inverse of upper limit will become 1, x divided by x will become 1, lower limit 0 if you substitute, tan inverse 0. Now this 0 to a, tan inverse 1 is nothing but pi by 4 minus 0 dx. This 1 by 4 you can eliminate, can keep outside, the integration 0 to a dx. This is equal to pi by 4. If you do the integration, this is x 0 to a, Now this is equal to pi by 4, upper limit come lower limit, this is a. Now this is equal to pi a divided by 4 is the required answer. So thank you for watching our channel. So once again you can see the problem how I have been done.